David, what's going on, man? Hey, my name is Joe with Metro Design, and I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to boost your online presence, get you ranking, get you some more leads, build this awesome business, reach some of your goals, etc., etc. So, I know you told me you're about 3 months new, so which is cool. Like that's awesome. I'm just going to go through your competitor's website and your website, just kind of show you what they're doing that's working and what we need to do to get you where they are. So first thing is going to be content. Google loves content. Content is king. So Google likes to see between 1,500 and 2,000 words on your homepage, and on your back pages between 500 and 700 words. So if we scroll real quick, it looks like you mostly put everything on your homepage and about you and whatever. Uh, that came out to about, what was it? About 200, I believe. And then for your back pages, again, we want to see 500 to 700 words. We also want to build these back pages out. So on your home page, talk a little bit about your services like you did here. But then each of these could probably have its own back page with content and keywords that people are searching for. The bigger your website is, the more content. Once again, Google will push it to the top. So if we go over here, this is your competitor. I didn't really know where you were from besides Mississippi, so I just typed in Mississippi and the one that came up. So we're just going to go off of this guy. So moving forward, you can see like he has his services on each page. He doesn't really have any content though, so if you wanted to beat this guy out, you could easily just throw on those content goals that we were trying to talk about. The 1,500 to 2,000 and the 500 to 700. Throw those words on there, you get easily outrank him in content. Pretty simple there. As far as the next thing, citations. Citations is your name, address, and phone number of your business on different websites. The more you have, the easier it is for Google to push you to the top of the map listings. You have 8, and your competitor has 35. What we do with citations is we just want to keep piling these on, because if you just go through and find the ones that they have and that you don't have and then add your name to those, you're going to be sitting at 35 possibly, and you may or may not outrank them. And once they find that they're not on top anymore, they're going to go out, hire an expert, and build on citations. So what we do is just go on 100, 200 citations off the bat, get them like up here high. So once they find out they're not on top anymore, it's really hard for them to come back and throw those citations on. Their citations, straightforward, not much there, but the next thing is going to be backlinks. So backlinks are what websites have links going back to your website. The more you have, the Google thinks you're more popular, so they push you to the top. So this is your competitor. 37 websites have a link going back to your competitor's website, and he's sitting at 303 backlinks. The thing with backlinks is it's time consuming and difficult to go out there and find which backlinks you want, because there's many different kinds. The main thing to know about is you want quality over quantity. So you don't want to just go out there and get random backlinks. You want to make sure they have good quality That'll definitely help you in the long run. If we go over to your website, get your information real quick. Search it. Alright, so you can see you have 3 websites that have 5 backlinks going back to your website. So definitely need some work there, which I don't expect you to have more than this because you're still pretty new. But that's basically all the things I wanted to show you today. The 3 main things Google looks out for. The 3 main things that will boost your business and get you some more leads. I hope you liked the video, found it informative. Go ahead and shoot me a call at 515-400-3308. Just to talk about the video and what we can do moving forward. You also have me on Facebook, so you can message me there, whichever is easier. Just contact me and let's get going. Thanks for watching.